Hey everyone, the Vivo Watch 3 is an elegant smartwatch that blends style, functionality, and advanced health monitoring into a single device. After debuting in China, Vivo has brought this stunning wearable to international markets, with the Philippines being one of the first to see its global version. This sleek smartwatch features a 1.43-inch AMOLED display with a 466 by 466 pixel resolution, offering crisp visuals and vibrant colors. The display is enhanced by its 3D curved glass and a spinning crown, adding a premium feel to its appearance, while maintaining a light weight of 36 grams. One of the standout aspects of the Vivo Watch 3 is its BlueOS-powered user interface. It's developed for simplicity and ease of navigation, made even better by the inclusion of an always-on display feature. This ensures that key information is always visible without needing to activate the screen constantly. For those focused on health and fitness, the Vivo Watch 3 is packed with useful features. It offers multi-channel monitoring, including 16-channel blood oxygen tracking and 8-channel heart rate monitoring, which provides comprehensive insights into the wearer's well-being. The watch also tracks sleep, measures stress levels, and even includes a silent mode to help users relax and unwind. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate the over 100 sports modes available, catering to a variety of activities, from running and cycling to yoga and strength training. In terms of smart features, the Vivo Watch 3 includes NFC access card support, allowing for contactless payments, and entry through compatible systems. It also offers audio management and Bluetooth calling, with users able to answer calls and silence alarms using motion gestures. Battery life is another key strength, with the watch lasting up to 16 days in Bluetooth mode, which is impressive for a device with such a robust feature set. Available in 2 distinct variants, the Vivo Watch 3 offers style options for different tastes. The Asteroid Black version, priced at $250, comes with a rubber strap, while the Moon White version, priced slightly higher at $270, includes a leather band for a more premium look. The Vivo Watch 3 excels in several areas, but it also comes with a few drawbacks. The lack of wider app support and integration with third-party platforms could limit its functionality for users who rely on specific apps for fitness tracking or productivity. Moreover, while the watch's health tracking capabilities are robust, they might not be as advanced or accurate as those found in more specialized health-focused wearables, like those from Garmin or Fitbit. The Vivo Watch 3 impresses with its sleek appearance, vibrant AMOLED display, and strong health monitoring features, making it ideal for style-conscious users who prioritize fitness and wellness. The long battery life is a major plus, ensuring the watch stays operational for days on end without needing a charge. NFC support, Bluetooth calling, and gesture controls add to the overall convenience. The lack of deep integration with third-party apps may hinder users looking for more customizable or specialized tracking options. Additionally, while the watch performs well for everyday fitness tracking, it might not meet the needs of those looking for more advanced features found in dedicated fitness wearables. Overall, the Vivo Watch 3 is a compelling option for users seeking a stylish, feature-rich smartwatch with strong health tracking and impressive battery life, but it may leave power users looking for more customization and app compatibility. Thanks for watching. If you are not subscribed to the channel, you can do so for free. Have a nice day and God bless you.